Pictured Rock's National Lakeshore is located in the Upper Peninsula of the great state of Michigan. It spans about 15 miles between Munising in the west and Grand Marais in the east.
Pictured Rock sits over Lake Superior and is known for its beautiful views and bright natural colors found within the rock. As mentioned, Pictured Rocks is located over Lake Superior and is composed up of three main layers. The first layer, also the oldest, is called the Jacksonville Formation. It developed during the Precambrian period, which goes back to over 600 million years ago. This layer is made up of sandstone and is known for its red color. The next layer is called the Munising Formation. Also made up of sandstone, this layer is more gray in color and was developed during the Cambrian period. This layer is also known for being much softer. The top layer, also the thinnest layer, is called the Autrain Formation, developed during the Ordovician period, which took place about 450 million years ago. This is also the hardest layer, so it isn't affected as much by things like erosion. Here is a picture of the layers that I kind of just described. One thing Pictured Rocks is famous for is all of its natural arches, sea caves, and waterfalls found all across the park, which are pictured. As mentioned, there are softer and harder layers found within Pictured Rocks, which causes all these formations to occur. The constant erosion that is occurring within the park from wind, water, and waves are breaking down the middle layer much faster than the top and bottom layers. Also famous at Pictured Rocks is the many vibrant colors. These colors come from the high mineral content within the rock. The color comes from groundwater seeping through the porous sandstone, and from that, minerals like iron, copper, and limonite also come out with it and leave behind views seen in the picture.
A cooling trend on Earth started almost 60 million years ago. Around 2 million years ago, it was cold enough for glaciers to form in North America. The shorelines of what is now Lake Superior started to develop around 10,000 years ago, during the last glacial period called the Wisconsinian. The lakes which we now call Superior, Michigan, and Huron were part of two vast inland lakes called Lake Duluth and Lake Algonquin. These lakes were later joined as the glaciers retreated to form one vast lake. The level of this lake was controlled by a single outlet on the south shores of Lake Huron. Melting of glacial ice within the Superior Basin produced huge rivers that deposited millions of tons of rock and rubble in various configurations to the south of the Superior Basin. A sheet of outwash of varying thickness was deposited along the south edge of Pictured Rock's National Lakeshore between Wetmore and Seney, which are two towns south of the Pictured Rock's shoreline near Munising. 9,500 years ago, the glaciers towered several kilometers above the ground, and the massive weight of the ice pushed the Earth's crust down. The north side of the Great Lakes was pushed down further than in the area south of the lakes where the ice was thinner. Once the glaciers retreated, the Earth's crust started to rebound. The result is that the north side of Lake Superior keeps rising by about 1 foot, 30 to 50 centimeters per century, compared to lands along the southern edge of the Great Lakes. This process is called isotopic rebound. The result is that the Great Lakes are tilting to the south, with more land exposed on the north shore of Lake Superior each century.